What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We're got some head work to do this week. Little bit of motor work. Got Tony's trike engine going back together. He brought his truck over. We had to do brakes on his truck and a front CV axle. Been an interesting week. The old valve spring compressor comes in, clutch. These valves were absolutely gnarly. We're going to be doing a few big red heads. We've got a DS90 that needs to be redone. We still got the Warrior head that needs to be redone. Everything's getting done, and I broke my porting tool. Yeah, I can't leave these heads alone. If they're all carboned up, they get cleaned up, slightly ported. Not really crazy unless somebody actually pays for port work. That's a different story. This head's going to be going on my big red, so we're going to open it up a little bit, let her breathe pretty good, and get a little extra power out of it. Little DS90. She's all carboned up. Put a wrong spark plug in it, bent the valve, so we got to cut the seats, get that all back together. We'll get the DS90 back up and running. That little valve cutter tool is amazing. Works great. Got Tony's KTM trike cases all back apart. Put a crank in it. Bearings. Complete rebuild. Thing was smoking like crazy. New top end. New crank bearings. Went through the clutches, checked everything out, reassembling it, putting it back in the trike later, probably next week. Celebrating my 26th anniversary with my wife this week. 26 years married. Yep, long time. She's put up with a lot of stuff, and she's kept me alive over the time. Can't thank her enough. You guys like builds, ride content, all kinds of stuff like that. We do a lot of how-tos on this channel. Also, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. We're trying to get these videos out to as many people as possible. The longer you watch, the more the video goes out to more people, the more they find out about the channel. Trying to get watch time up. We're trying to get these videos seen by thousands and thousands of people, not just a handful of people. So watch time is crucial. Really appreciate the channel members we have. Yes, we've got memberships available. They come with perks, product discounts, online help, personal phone calls to help with builds. All kinds of different stuff come with memberships. This is Tony's 1500 Dodge. Yep. Blown out CV axle boots. Brakes absolutely smoked. So we're getting all that taken care of. Get him back on the road. He does inflatable rentals, bounce houses and stuff like that. So these brakes are critical on this truck. We've got the Walsh Baldwin KTM 505 and Big Citra in the house for a little bit of updates and work. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.